Linux dedicated servers versus Windows dedicated servers. A dedicated server is the pinnacle of web hosting that delivers a high performance and security. There are two types of dedicated servers categorized by the operating systems they run. Here's a closer look at the differences between Linux dedicated servers versus Windows dedicated servers. Performance and consistency. A server's performance and consistency are crucial components that drive a website's performance. Windows and Linux both offer equal levels of performance and consistency where web hosting is concerned. Cost. A Windows dedicated server runs on a proprietary framework and uses proprietary software, increasing cost. A Linux dedicated server runs on an open source framework and uses open source software which keep the costs low. Software compatibility. While Windows has a comprehensive collection of compatible software, it doesn't play nice with open source software like OpenOffice. Conversely, while Linux is compatible with all open source software, it cannot run proprietary frameworks like .NET. Ease of use. Ease of use is an important factor that determines a site owner's control over their website. Both Linux and Windows feature graphical user interfaces, but Windows is easier to use due to familiarity. Reliability and efficiency. A buggy or inconsistent operating system will affect the hosted websites with frequent crashes. After years of refinements and updates, both these operating systems have evolved into stable hosting platforms. Reseller Club offers Windows and Linux-based dedicated server hosting with enterprise-grade hardware and high performance. Select an operating system and framework that will work the best for your website's specific requirements.